Ever wondered how to cook perfect noodles every time? Well, it's not as complicated as it may seem. All it takes is a little bit of time, the right ingredients, and a few easy-to-follow steps. First things first, the choice of noodles is essential. From Italian pasta to Asian noodles like udon or ramen, the variety is endless. Choose what suits your palate or the dish you're aiming to create. Next, always remember to use a pot that's large enough. Noodles need a lot of space to cook evenly. Fill the pot with water, approximately 4 times the volume of noodles. Add a generous pinch of salt. The salt not only seasons the noodles, but also elevates their overall flavor. Then bring the water to a rolling boil. This is an important step, as adding noodles to lukewarm water can result in a sticky, clumpy mess. Once the water is boiling vigorously, carefully add your noodles to the pot. Now, here comes the trickier part, the cooking time. This can vary dramatically depending on the type of noodle. Italian pasta might take anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes, while some Asian noodles could be done in as little as 3 minutes. Always refer to the package instructions for the best results. Stir the noodles occasionally to prevent them from sticking together or to the bottom of the pot. Use a fork or a pair of chopsticks for this, as they allow for greater control and prevent the noodles from breaking. When the noodles are nearly done, they should be firm but not hard, a state often referred to as al dente. At this point, you need to drain them immediately. Leaving them in the hot water, even off the heat, can result in overcooked, mushy noodles. However, don't rush to rinse them under cold water. Unless you're making a cold noodle dish, rinsing hot noodles can wash away the starch that helps sauces and seasonings cling to the noodles, thus diluting the flavor of your dish. Finally, toss the noodles in a bit of oil to prevent them from sticking together if you're not using them immediately. And there you have it, perfectly cooked noodles, ready to be used in any dish you like. In summary, the key to cooking perfect noodles lies in choosing the right type of noodle, cooking them in a large pot with plenty of boiling, salted water, and draining them as soon as they reach the al dente stage. Avoid rinsing them unless necessary, and toss them in a bit of oil if not using immediately. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a noodle master. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Delicious, perfectly cooked noodles every time.